Hello, I'm Kris. I'm with Republic Manufacturing, and I'm here to talk to you today about some of our controls capability. This panel that I have behind me here is going into a wastewater facility to run 3 blowers for an aeration pond. The system has 3 inverter drives in it, and the inverter drives control the blowers. This human interface, this HMI, is programmed up. It's got 2 programs in it. Very easy for the user to select. They can run program 1 or program 2. And the different programs will control the speed at which the blowers run, which blowers are on and which blowers are off. And the blowers will cycle through so that each will get a proper amount of run time. So we're going to idle some blowers so that they can rest, and we're going to bring other blowers back online so they can run and keep the aeration pond doing what it needs to. In this case also, we have some switches here, and if the user needs to, for some reason, override the blower and turn the blower on to test or troubleshoot, they can turn that blower on in manual mode, and that'll force it on. Or if they want to pull that blower offline for some reason, they can also turn it off. Okay? Back in auto, it's going to run from the program. So in this case here, I'm going to open up the cabinet. I'm going to turn these off. So these turn off the drives. We get inside here, and we can see that we have single phase power into this cabinet. And the single phase power is getting converted in the drives on this side over here. So each one of these drives is then converting the power to 3-phase power and running the system. So this is just one of the many types of control applications that we can do. So let's say that you want a central system and a different type of controls for that. That's something that we can do. If you want to run a VFD with a PID loop just on a single blower, maybe you want to use it to save energy, or you want to optimize the pressure or the flow based on the application, we can do that. All the way down to just a simple starter. So let us know what your application is. Contact our sales team, and we'd love to help you out with our next project. Thank you.